Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow.
Hi, love ko! Happy birthday to you! This is our little surprise for you. And since today is your special day, I wish you all the best in everything. I know you almost got everything, but I still wish you more of it. I wish all your prayers and your wishes, your longings will come through in time. Ayan. And of course, I always want you to be safe, to be healthy, and to be happy. Ayan. So, always be happy, love. Don't be too stressed too much. Iwasan natin yung mga stressful things. Alam na natin yan. And, well, alam mo naman na I will always be here for you anytime, anything that you need, that I can help with. I'm just a message or a voicemail away. You know that. I'm always here, willing to listen, willing to help in any way I can. And love, I appreciate you so much, and I thank you so much to get to know you, to be friend with you, and and now you're one of our co-founder in our humble group, and we are so grateful and we are so blessed to have you. You know that we appreciate you so much. Thank you for all the help and for everything. Yan. I hope you will not change. Or if you change man, for the better, for the best. You're a good person, love. You're very kind and very generous. And may God bless you more. And give you back in 1,000-fold all your shared blessing, all your shared love and cares. Ayan. Because you truly deserve it, love. So stay happy, stay blessed, stay kind as you are. We love you, love. And happy birthday once again. Mommy Doc, Daddy Doc, and TVS Group loved you so much, and we are so grateful. Love you. God bless, and happy birthday once again. I hope we made you happy. God bless us.
Happy birthday, Ate Shine! Sana sa kaarawan mo ito ngayon ay napasaya ka namin sa muntihin naming alay sa iyo. Yan. And also, I wish you all the happiness and good health at saka worries-free sa anumang lahat ng mga problema na dadaan sa ating buhay. Stay strong and happiest birthday. Hope you enjoy your special day today. At like I said earlier, sana mapasaya ka namin. Wala na po ako masabi, but genuinely, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you dahil sa mga pagtulong mo po sa amin sa pagbuo at sa pag-aalaga ng TVS Group. Yan. Thank you so much po, Ate Shine, and wish you all the best. Love you po. God bless.
Happy birthday, Sissy Shine. May your birthday full of great happenings, and enjoy the moments as you celebrate your special day. I am so overwhelmed of your concern to all the members of TVS. You're such a pride to the group, and thank you so much also for your concern to the Bisdak group, which you are also a Bisdak, and waiting that one day you will join us. We're just enjoying here, no pressure at all, just like TVS. We all enjoy, and also LRS. So BWS, TVS, LRS are one. Or we could also say is one. They won't be apart from each other. All I could say is, though we've known for a short time, but you're such a great friend already for me. You know, this is not the real world. This is only SM. But great friends should be treasured, should be cherished, and you're one of those friends that I will treasure and cherish. Once again, happy birthday to you, and we are looking forward for this big celebration that would happen on October 3. Yay, yeah, bah. Okay, thank you so much, the founders of TVS, for letting me express my wishful thanks, wishful greetings, not thanks, to CC Shine. And thank you once again.
Hello, Sissy Shine. Happy birthday. Manghinaot ko nga sa imong birthday, magmalipayon ka always. Uban sa imong pamilya, o sa imong Lucky 9 family, sa SM. Ug manghinaot ko Sisi nga tagan ka og taas pa nga katuigan sa imong kinabuhi. Ug manghinaot ko nga makakita ka og perfect partner sa imong kinabuhi. Og manghinaot ko sis nga tagad ka og kabaskog og kaabtik sa panluwas uban sa imong pamilya. And enjoy your birthday. At og manghinaot ko nga matagan pa kag daghang grasya nga moabot sa imong kinabuhi, sa imong life. Once again, happy birthday. Love you.
Aloha, Sissy Koi TV Shine. Happy birthday to you. May you have many more birthdays to come. And good health lagi. Enjoy lang tayo sa pagkanta. Yun. Let's have fun.
Hello, Sissy Shine. Happiest birthday to you. Wishing you all the best. God bless you and give you more blessings to come. Thank you for the tips. And thank you for inviting me to the group. Enjoy your special day. God bless you. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Sissy Shine. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. May your day be filled with love and beautiful surprises. May your dreams come true. Our TVS family love you. Have a great day and happy birthday. Enjoy your big day. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Love you, Sissy Shine.
To our co-founder of TBS Group, Sissy Shine, happy birthday! Just wishing you a great birthday filled with wonderful surprises. Enjoy your special day. Love you, sis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shine. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and true. From old friends and new. May good luck go with you. Happy birthday to you. Ayun. Happy birthday, sis. We love you. Enjoy. God bless.
Hi, Sissy Shine! Happy birthday to you! Stay kind and pretty. And of course, stay younger. God bless you always. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, my dear sister. I wish that you have many more birthdays to come and always in a good health. God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello, Sissy Shine. I wish you all nothing but the best on your special day. Happy birthday. Ihin sana marami pang blessings na dumating sa'yo. I wish you all nothing but the best, good health, and I hope na marami pa tayong time na pagsasabahan sa Star Maker. If you did not know, si Sissy Shine ay friends ko since nearly I started Star Maker, and we were still doing cover and live. And now we're still here, especially with the TVS and the LRS group. Sana marami pa tayong pagsasamahan. Sana marami ka pang mapapasayang mga tao. Stay blessed, stay happy, and I'll always be here for you. I love you and enjoy today. Happy birthday!
Hi, Sissy Shine! Happy birthday, and wishing more birthdays to come and always good health. I hope all your birthday wishes and dream come true. Stay pretty. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi to our TBS co-founder, Shine. Hi, Sissy. Happy birthday. I wish you all the very best in life. Most especially good health always. And enjoy your day. Love you. Ayan, tingnan mo ang background. Happy birthday. That is for you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Sissy Shine. More birthdays to come. I wish you all the best. God bless. And again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sissy Shine! Eto na naman, nadagdagan na naman ang edad natin. Pero pray ko na lagi kang healthy, masaya, mas marami pang blessings ang darating sa buhay mo kasi napakabait mong tao. Gusto kong kunin tong chance na to para pasalamatan ka, Sissy, sa lahat ng kabutihan na pinapakita mo sa akin. Mula nung nag-umpisa tayong dalawa sa TVS hanggang ngayon, maraming salamat sa lahat ng advices mo, effort mo para turuan ako sa mga hindi ko alam kung paanong gagawin ng mga settings. Andyan ka lagi nakasubaybay sa akin at ramdam na ramdam ko lahat ng mga advices mo. Napakabuti mong tao. Alam ko lahat ng binibitawan mong salita galing lahat sa puso mo. Kaya Sissy, maraming salamat. mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo ngayon at pinagdarasal ko na sana humaba pa ang pagsasama natin sa TVS. Mahal na mahal kita bilang kaibigan ko. Happy birthday, Sisi. From the bottom of my heart, mahal na mahal talaga kita. Enjoy your day. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Sisi ko. Wish you all the best and good health. Stay healthy, Sisi ko. Bawal mo kasakit. Hindi ka makakanta, hindi ka makakasayaw. Kaya, lagi ka mag-iingat. Ayan. More blessings to come. Happy birthday, Sisi. Love you.
Hello, Ate San. I want to greet you happy birthday and papamahinig ko sa ate ko siyempre. Good health and more happiness in life. I know that you're really contented with what you have right now. Just continue being you and thank you for all your supervisions to me and Love Steve. Ayan. You're more than a sister by music but also like a sister by blood to me, ate. Palagi ka rin nandyan na binabantayan ako araw-araw. Thank you very much. Love, ate ko. Happy birthday again. Maybe soon magkita rin tayo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shine. Natutuwa kami dahil nagse-celebrate ka uli ng iyong birthday. At natutuwa pa din kami dahil up to now, member pa kami ng FAM, Lucky 9 FAM. Although hindi ganun ka-active dahil na rin sa masyado kami busy sa work, alam mo naman. Pero yung love natin with one another, hindi nagbabago yan. At na isa ka sa mga haligi ng Lucky 9 FAM na tinitingala namin. Thank you for the leadership. Thank you sa patience. But bear in mind always na ang dalawang to, kami ang dalawa, will never give up Lucky 9 FAM. Happy birthday, Ma'am Shine.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shine. Thank you sa love, care, and patience para sa aming members ng Lucky 9 family. We love you. Happy birthday again.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sisi. Wish you all the best in everything. Sana ay maging masaya ka lagi, lalo na sa araw na ito. God bless you always. Happy birthday. Have a blast. Love you.
Red ang suot ko kasi birthday ng aking Bestie Shine. Happy birthday, Bestie Shine. Wish you all the happiness that you deserve and of course, always in good health. Dapat priority mo yung health mo, Bestie Shine. Remember that. And I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you, of course, with Captain Roy Ems and the rest of the family members of Lucky 9 Star Farm. Dahil sa mga effort nyo na naging, nag-improve and nag-level up ang ating Lucky 9 Star Farm. And I'm so honored and grateful to be part of that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the effort and sorry. I'm really sorry because hindi ako ganun ka-active ngayon. But I promise and swear, babawi ako. I love you, Bestie Shine. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy this day. It's your special day. October 3, 2004. Happy birthday to you. Mama.
Hello, sis. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sisi Shine. Wish ko lang sa'yo, Sisi Shine, more birthday to come. And always good health and more happiness in your life. God bless. I love you. I love you, Sisi ko.
Happy birthday, my buddy, my partner, my bestie Shine. God bless you and your family always. We love you. Take care of yourself. Laging mag-ingat at isipin ang sarili, ang katawan. Yan, ingatan para hindi magkasakit. At thank you also sa lahat ng support mo sa Lucky 9 Star family, sa ating mga members, sa pagkakabay mo sa amin, especially sa akin, lagi mo akong tinuturuan. Thank you so much sa lahat-lahat, bestie. We love you and God bless you more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you.